Attention folks, have you seen this person? He's currently reported missing. Unable to locate him. If you find him, please contact your nearest law enforcement officer. Thank you and have a good day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're filming on the GoPro Hero 12, the Max Lens Mod 2.0 wide mode. This beautiful October day. So I want to do a quick video before I pick up these leaves, which is probably pointless because it's all keep coming down. Was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 open box release from a guy in Indonesia in a store from DJI. This is a good way to get yourself fired, and probably the store owner will either going to be fined or might even lose his ability to sell DJI products. If it's a, I don't know if it's a franchise kind of situation where they own their own store or DJI owns them all anyway. Somebody is going to get in trouble for this. What I think what happened, just guessing from the box that it was in saying not for sale, this was a promo camera for them to put in their store for display. So as soon as that's released, it's already propped up in a display at the store, so folks go come in, look at it, hold it, all that kind of stuff. But this employee decided to do an unboxing video. We as fans of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 are quite happy to get this early release coming out, but I'm sure a lot of the bigger YouTubers and the company itself were not too happy. That is kind of a big corporate no-no to do. I'm gonna be very curious on the backstory of this, what pans out at the end. So if you are the YouTuber that put it out, give us a video or on the after effect that you've had from this. Now I'm sure you've got a lot of views. I'm sure you got some subscribers out of the deal, but what has happened on the other end of the house when it comes to your job, everything else that's out there? I just know that if I was in the same situation, I would be scared to death that trouble was brewing behind me. Will I get sued? Because I'm sure DJI can civilly sue this guy too if they wanted to, but I'm sure he doesn't have that much money, but they could make his life pretty tough right now. So let me know what you guys think. If you know any more about this story, about who this person is, and kind of the after effect of it, let us know. Let me know what you think about the video that was released. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it here, right here, but I'm sure you've seen it. If you search anywhere on YouTube for about Pocket 3, that video has come up in somebody's feed. So